Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to display alternate text when no data is available in charts. I have taken call center data here, and if you see here, the customer satisfaction score, the CSAT score is showing blank for few records, like where the channel is email, or for the city Reno, it is showing blank. Now let's get back to the report. Here I am showing CSAT score by channel and CSAT score by sentiment. Now let me select the channel email from the slicer and see here, since we have already seen that for the channel email the CSAT score is showing blank, and that's the reason these charts are also showing blank. This is something does not look very professional. So instead of showing blank charts, what we want is we want to show some text which states that there is no data available for the criteria selected or something like that. Now let me show you how to add the alternate text here. I have already created a measure like total CSAT score, where I'm just using sum of CSAT score, and now we have to create another measure. So for that, let's click new measure. Let's name it as total CSAT score no data text. So now let's first understand the requirement. So my requirement here is when the value of CSAT score is blank, then I need to show some alternate text. Otherwise, I will not show anything. So for that, I have to use if function first. So I will check if, and the condition will be first, it will check whether the total CSAT score is blank or not. So for that, I will use Isblank function. So Isblank total CSAT score. So if it is blank, that means if it returns true, then I will show the alternate text. No data for the criteria selected. And if it is not blank, in that case, I just don't want to show any text. So I'll just keep like double quotes twice. That's it. Now let me add this newly created measure to a card visual. So let me add a card visual, and let me add total CSAT score no data. And if you see here, since for email there is no data available, it is showing the text. So now what I have to do is, I don't want to show the header. Go to format, and here category label is set as on, so I will just change it to off. So now you see, you are only seeing the text. So now we have to work on some placement. So we'll just drag and drop it here. Also, we'll just take a copy of the same card visual for the first chart as well. So just Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and it has been copied. So I'll just drag and drop here as well. So now we can see when there is no data available for the filter selected, we are getting this message. Let's just create the filter. And since we have kept the condition like when the data is not blank, it will just show nothing. So that's why we are not seeing anything on the card visual. But there is one more thing. So now when you hover over this chart, right, you will see this card is also showing. And as a result, you will not be able to select the bars or the segments from the pie chart. So that is another thing which we have to take care of. For that, we have to do some adjustment on the layering. So go to view, and then here you will see this selection option, which basically controls the visibility and layering order of the objects. So let's select, and here you will be able to see all the objects like the cards, the slicers, and everything that you have created for your report. These two cards, these are placed on the top. We need to drag and drop these cards at the bottom. Let me drag and drop this. Now I don't see it when I am hovering over the charts. You can select the segments from the first chart. You can also select the bars from the second chart. So this is how you can add alternate text for your charts when there is no data available. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.